Okay, what I learned today is that I can survive off of it. I got real hungry, but I end up going to the grocery store. I got some red beans, red kidney beans, and some brown rice, and some dash seasoning, because it don't have no salt content. So I thought that would have been good. I cut some onions up, mix it all together, cut some onions up. What do I feel so far? I feel I feel the spices and the onion cut into some mucus. This what my brain sensor that it cuts some mucus. I was like, and I felt the mucus separating. So I'm gonna see how my workout go in the morning. Any helpful hints? Please send them to me. Remember, this is like a quote unquote ghetto vegetarian thing, so because when you want to uplift people, you gotta have to probably go through the process before you help them. And I think that's what all good soldiers would do. Salute. Any advice? Any recipes? Diet plans? Let me know. New vegetarian.